truck?
Shiraz. Ends of the highway, 2 minutes later. Here we are.
Tired in a good way, you know?
Good morning.
Not morning.
Yeah, it's almost I think 11:30, 12. Yeah, good afternoon. Our last day and last moments in Isfahan. Unfortunately, so excited to be on the road again, going towards Shiraz, but at the same time sad to leave this beautiful city and to leave Babak. Oh,
Go by truck?
maybe they go slow. It's 5-6 hours.
Yeah, truck is always nice, but it doesn't go that fast, you know?
Hitchhiking towards Shiraz. Second car. I didn't know even it was a new highway. They made it from Isfahan to Shiraz, which made the distance 100 kilometers shorter. So we're gonna have a good view, good time, shorter time to Shiraz. Really good having a stop on the way, yeah. Oh, so nice, so green, yeah. But it's not hot, does it feel hot?
It's not too
No,
hot.
it's not windy. Yeah, it was really nice hitchhike actually. So easy, we just landed at the entrance of the highway. 2 minutes later, Mr. Vietnam took us.
Walking. She's learning me the G. Again?
From here, Qalat.
Qalat.
We are going to Qalat. Qalat. Here we are, guys. We arrived at Qalat. On the way we were hitchhiking, we saw these two lovely couples, Mehdi and Mahdi from Shiraz. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna explore around in Qalat village, the historical and old parts, and going toward the waterfall. Let's go.
Places where people lived before,
Uh-huh.
about 500-600 years ago.
Oh.
Then I don't know what happened.
Uh-huh.
Maybe something like an earthquake or something
Uh-huh.
made here unlivable. Then
Wow.
people changed the place where they live. Yes.
It's very light.
Yeah, now we are traveling without the sleeping bag. It's much more lighter, easy to have. Yeah.
We cannot sleep in a tent, sadly. We felt a little bit regret. But now when we start hiking,
That's
it's good.
true. Yeah.
Hello.
really good.
We're tired in a good way, you know, a little bit movement, a little bit sports, not sport, a little bit movement during the day. 30 minutes walk!
Much more closer, wow!
Not that big.
That's beautiful! Wow, just look at this. It's like this pure water and cold. Did you? Yeah.
Sorry?
Impressive.
Impressive, very impressive.
And we just got to know from our friends that today is the day of Shiraz, the national day of Shiraz. Middle of the spring, so we just arrived in a good day.
That's true, we didn't know. Oh, you see small waterfall there in the back?
Yeah, we have one. People sitting around, hanging guys.
Salam. Hey, wow, beautiful. What was happening here?
These are special designs of Bakhtiyari nomads. And they are specifically called siyah chador in Persian. This one is called mashk in Persian. It's a kind of pot that put milk inside and start shaking.
Okay.
And in a rhythmic way. Then the fat of the milk will come over the milk and they can separate it from the milk.
Okay.
Sometimes they put inside yogurt. Yes, inside. Then use the weight to shake it and take a special fat we call in Persian Qalat, that in English is butter. You know, a real one of meat. Yeah.
I was thinking it's not heavy. What is inside?
I think it's peas.
Peas?
It's dampo. Dampo. Rice and tomato.
Rice and tomato.
Yes, rice and tomato.
Wow, it's so cool to see here.
Oh, wow, exciting. Oh. Okay, this is our car from now. Okay. It's then.
Yes, it's part of the very old church that is ruined now. Collapsed.
Oh, the church is collapsed.
Yes.
And it was built in.
Yes, it was built in between first and second World War.
And Pekan, Nina, first Iranian car.
Yes.
Hardly you can find it now. Hey.